questions only. Ray, are you enjoying your stay in Kuching and what have you enjoyed most?
Oh, you know what? This is my first time. It's like I really love Kuching. Kuching is like, you know, heaven. So there's so delicious food and, you know, beautiful city. I love Kuching.
Lovely, thank you, Ray. Big hand to Ray. So love sign for Ray. Love sign for Ray. Second question, Ray. So many questions have come in. Your second question is, I don't know whether you have tasted our food. Lovely Sarawak food. What is your favorite Sarawak food so far?
My favorite is Naksa. Last night I ate Naksa and it's like almost, you know, dim sum. You know, Kuching dim sum.
Wonderful. We're going to create a new menu in Kuching dim sum coming up soon. Next question to Rain. Again, so many questions. Any local words you have learned in Kuching? Any new words, Rain? Any new words you have learned? Any new words?
Apa kabar? How do you say I love you? Sayang kamu, right?
Very good. Rain, before we depart, any final words or advice to anyone here of filmmakers in Asean? You know, any advice to any of your fans or the filmmakers in Asean? Any final words?
그냥 늘 뭐든지 최선을 다하면 좋을 것 같아요. 제가 프로듀싱 일할 때도 그렇고, 아무튼 최선을 다하면 되는 것 같아요.
Alright, that was the last question to Rain. Now, before Rain leaves us, can we show some love to Rain by doing the love sign for Rain? Thank you so much, Rain, for making time in Kuching and at the Old Courthouse. You are well loved by people in Kuching, loved by people in Sarawak, loved by everyone in Southeast Asia, ASEAN. Thank you, Rain. We see you
Thank you so
tonight.
much. Thank you.
Rain, there's a final gift from Rain to all of you, a personally signed t-shirt